Hi guys, it's Nunu and I'm here with you in discussion 7B, essay about parent-posed obstacles to student success, 120 points, 1,000 words. So what are parent-posed obstacles to student success? Well, you know about that. You've been discussing that in last week's discussion 7A. They're the obstacles to student success that parents pose for their children. Okay, let's survey this assignment and see what we have here. I'm going to make the screen a little bigger. We begin with this lovely illustration from Brian Park's article in which he describes what kind of parent he will be. You read that article last week. It's the father coming out of the fierce tiger costume to give love and reassurance to his daughter, who is dressed in her school clothes and with her backpack, clearly a student. So that's a lovely image. Scrolling down, we have about this assignment. This is the video you are watching and listening to now. We have 5 links right here, and I will be going over the due dates link with you, but I'm going to ask you to click on and read the requirements, the discussion rubric, the overview, and the assignment purpose on your own. Okay, scrolling down more, we have a part 1, and we have a part 2. And now I'm going to minimize the screen a little bit so that our works cited lines up. These are the articles you read last week. The Last of the Tiger Parents by Ryan Park. This is where this lovely illustration of the father comes from. And we also have the word takeaway, what it means. And we have Theodore Ransaw's article, Cool Papas, and we have the Nation's report card. We also have help with quoting right here. Okay, I'm going to scroll up and I'm going to click on the due dates. So let's maximize the due dates so we can see them. Post part 1 by 11:59 p.m. on Thursday and post part 2 by 11:59 p.m. on Saturday. If you think you cannot meet these due dates, come over here to inbox, let me know what's up, and I'll do my best to help you to submit this assignment on time and to learn what your problem is that you can't submit it on time, what constraint you're dealing with. Okay, I'm going to click on the back arrow. It takes us back into our assignment, discussion 7B. And I'm going to remind you that I'm here in inbox and you're never ever bothering me when you email me. You're never emailing me too many times. If something's not clear, you need to teach me how to make it clear and we'll work together, okay? So let's have a good week.